Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Pramit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Pramit have? Here, Irfan has 37 marbles. Already given in question, right? Then, number of marbles Pramit has. Unknown. Let it be x. Any variable you can have here. Actually, we have to find value of x from this question, right? To get value of x, we have to form a simple equation. To form a simple equation here, one hint already given in the question. Listen carefully. Irfan has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Pramit has. That means 37 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എക്സിൻ്റെ 5 ടൈംസിനോട് കൂടെ 7 ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് 5x plus 7 equals 37. Clear, no? Can you simplify this equation? Yes. Also equals 5x equals 37 minus 7. 5x equals 30. X equals how much? Yes. X equals 30 by 5 equals 6. Here x represents number of marbles Pramit has. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together, their runs fell too short of a double century. How many runs did each one score? From this question, we have to find Sachin's and Rahul's score. Listen carefully, children. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. രാഹുലിൻ്റെ സ്കോറിൻ്റെ ഡബിൾ ഓർ ട്വൈസ് ഓർ 2 ടൈംസ് ആയിരിക്കും സച്ചിൻ്റെ സ്കോർ. If it is x, what about here? Yes, we can write 2x. We have to find score of Rahul and Sachin separate. To get those two values, first we have to find value of x. To find x, one hint already given. Together, their runs fell too short of a double century. Century means 100 runs, right? 100. Double century, 200. Too short of a double century means 200 minus 2. Listen carefully. Together means Sachin's score 2x plus Rahul's score x equals too short of a double century. 200 minus 2. Okay? 2x plus 1x. 3x equals 198. X equals 198 by 3 equals 66. Clear, no? Listen carefully, children. Here, Rahul's score 66. What about Sachin's score? 2 into 66, no? 2 into 66, 132. 132 plus 66. Answer becomes 198. The highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? Here we have the highest and the lowest score of a class. Listen, highest score is 87 here. Lowest score unknown. Let it be x. We have to find lowest score from this question. To get that, first we have to form a simple equation. Right? Listen carefully. To form an equation, one hint already given. Listen. The highest marks obtained by a student in the class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. Twice the lowest marks plus 7. That means highest mark 87 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇതിൻ്റെ twice. That means 2 times നോട് കൂടെ 7 ആഡ് ചെയ്തതിനോട് equal ആണ്. Clear? So we can form an equation here. Twice means 2x plus 7 equals highest mark 87. Then can you solve? 2x equals 87 minus 7. 2x equals 80. X equals 80 by 2 equals 40. So lowest marks 40. Value of x here 40. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? Here we have Lakshmi and her father. Father's age already given 49. Lakshmi's age here unknown. Let it be x. We have to find Lakshmi's age from this question. To get Lakshmi's age, first we have to form an equation. To form that equation, one hint already given in the question. Listen, hint is Lakshmi's father is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. 49 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എക്സിൻ്റെ 3 ടൈംസിനോട് കൂടെ 4 ആഡ് ചെയ്തതാണ്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് 3x plus 4 equals 49. Now we have one simple equation, right? Can you solve it? Equals 3x equal to 49 minus 4. 3x equals 45, right? Then x equals 45 by 3, okay, equals 15. Now Lakshmi's age or value of x is 15. Lakshmi is 15 years old girl. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? In an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and base angles are also equal. Here, these two angles, these two are base angles, are equal. If it is x, we can write here also x, right? Then what about this angle s? It is called vertex angle. Measurement already given 40 degree. We have to find from this figure value of x. What about angle sum property of a triangle? In a triangle we can see 3 interior angles 40, x, x. Sum of these 3 angles always 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle you have learned, right? Listen carefully, children. To get value of these two x, we have to form an equation. How will form? Listen carefully, children. 4d degree plus x degree plus x degree equals 180 degree, right? Then x plus x, 2x. 40 degree plus 2x degree equals 180 degree. Then 2x degree equals 180 degree minus 40 degree, right? 2x equals 140 degree. X equals 140 degree divided by 2 equals 70 degree. Listen carefully, children. Here base angles 70 degree each. Clear now? People of Sundargram planted trees in a village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77? Here we have fruit trees and non-fruit trees. Number of non-fruit trees already given. It is 77. We have to find number of fruit trees. Let it be x. To get value of x, we have to form an equation. To form that equation, one hint already given in the question. Listen carefully. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. That means 77 equals 3x plus 2. 3 times x plus 2. Okay. So, our equation 3x plus 2 equals 77. Okay. Then 3x equals 77 minus 2. 3x equals 75. X equals 75 by 3 equals 25. Here value of x 25 or number of fruit trees also equals 25. Clear no? Can you solve the following riddle? I'm a number. Tell my identity. Take me 7 times over and add a 50. To reach a triple century, you still need 40. Here, suppose unknown number is x. If it is x, then take me 7 times over. That means 7x. And add a 50 plus 50. To reach triple century, you still need 40 equals triple century means 300 minus 40. To reach a triple century, you still need 40. That means 300 minus 40. Now, we have a simple equation, right? Also equals 7x plus 50 equals 260. Then 7x equals 260 minus 50. 7x equals, what about 260 minus 50? Yes, answer becomes 210. Then x equals 210 by 7 equals how much, children? Yes, equal to 30. So our required number is 30.